What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. Ladies fam, Milady Memecoin fam, I am back with another video for you guys. Thank you guys so much for the continuous support. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, make this video go viral, blow it up, spread the awareness, guys. Ladies right now sitting at $30.9 million in market cap, $5.4 million in 24-hour trade volume, guys. We are in a retrace right now. I actually expected a breakout, or a bounce from here, because we saw Pepe breaking out, right? So I actually expected a bounce from here, but the sellers, the bears are kind of in control of the chart at the moment. That always is a possibility of happening, right? But I just say just hold, guys. Don't worry about it. If you invested an amount that you're willing to lose, if you invested an amount that you're willing to lose and you're just holding, right, just continue to do so, guys. Like I said, don't get shaken out. I missed out on a quick 3 to 5x trade by just recently, right, this past week, by not just holding, right, just having that conviction. Just have your conviction. If you hold a project you have high conviction on, keep your conviction, man. From RSE, I wish they advertise on social media. They are posting on social media about the options trading. We'll get into that. Alex to the moon. We had some other mentions right here. I'm the #1 whale. Ladies, DJ Awesome. Rocket ships from Levinis. I have a sensation that soon we'll achieve the moon. What's yours? Crypto Crip, I would love to see Rockstar make the ladies gameplay somehow, some way. I see ladies in the gaming space, right? You never know, man. The Milady's NFTs are super popular, man, and that's why I say the Milady Memecoin could potentially become the super popular as well, right? The Leviathan site. The ladies communities are a strange bump when things go great. The community's jumping on the train. Ladies to the moon, they say. Rockets on full throttle, up and away, 1000x. Just you watch, mom. I'm going to be a ladies millionaire soon. But the moment things retrace, slow down or reverse, it's all the same. Ladies is a scam. Buy dip, and it dips to the to fall, effing fall. Should have never listened to any like is every aware that you all are making your own financial decisions. Following people's advice is great, but you manage your own accounts and see the patterns for yourself, right? And that's how it is in all projects, man. As soon as a project is breaking out, people are super bullish. As soon as a project is retracing, they get bearish. They say, oh, this is a scam, this will never make it, etc., right? But we'll see what happens, man. You just never know. Like, a lot of people might panic sell in this moment, this retrace, and then all of a sudden, boom, bounce to the upside. Then they FOMO back in, they lost their position. This happens time and time again in the space, man. The space it's not that hard, but we make things difficult. We make things complicated for ourselves, right? Honestly, how it's supposed to go with crypto, you buy in the red, right? You buy in the red, you hold your position no matter the moves in the short-term price action, and then when it's a moment for profit, whether it's a 5x, 3x, 10x, you take profit, and then you do that pattern again. And that's how simple crypto should be. But we overcomplicate things, man. We really overcomplicate things, and we have too much emotion. A lot of people in the space have too much emotion. So, even myself, we really got to work on that. But this is why I say, man, if you have that conviction, you invested an amount that you're willing to lose, you won't lose sleep over it. You just buy, hold, have that conviction, and wait and see what happens, man. From Chris, from Alex, ladies usually follow Pepe, bullish on both. We are awesome. So yeah, guys, let's take a look at the chart real quick. As you guys can see, again, from what I've drawn, we could see a retrace to these support levels that we have back here. Now it could make a bounce here because, like I said, Pepe broke out, and usually other meme coins break out. A few meme coins that launched around the same time as Pepe start to break out when Pepe starts to break out, right? So we could see that bounce from here. I'll definitely keep an eye on it, you know, keep an eye on it, guys. But it could come back down to this support level back here that we saw. Could retrace back down to this area before we get a bounce. But yeah, just keep be on the lookout, right? The beers are kind of like winning right now, but yeah, if you have conviction on this and you're okay with holding, man, going through the ups and downs, right? There's a saying, if you can't survive minus 90% corrections, you don't deserve 300%, 1000% pumps or something like that. I see it on the DGen Twitter all the time, where people that be buying projects, you know, when they just launch on Ethereum or when they just get on Uniswap, they be making you know, they have that saying, right? So yeah, if you got conviction on the project, man, this is where your fortitude is tested, right? So we'll see what happens when it comes to ladies. I'll be updating you guys as always. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description, and I'll catch you in the next one.